Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Self Love. For the returning subscribers, you're the best. Thank you so much for always returning to watch my videos. For the new subscribers, hi, welcome, karibu hapa. Yes guys, for the new subscribers, on this channel I basically share different kind of content. I share cooking, traveling, adventure, self-care routine. Yes, basically lifestyle. So trust me, you'll not be bored on this channel. Yes, I have different kind of videos. So if you're just new and this is your first time to come across my videos, please check out on my other videos. They are so helpful. Yes. So, without wastage of time, we are going to make a face mask, guys, in today's video. And we are going to use eggs, guys. And then we also have our bananas. Yes. We also have our coffee, guys. So, stay tuned. Watch the video till the end. Please don't skip. If you skip on the steps, you're gonna lose out. So stay tuned, watch the entire video till the end. So without wastage of time, let's start with our recipe. Let's prepare our mask. Let's use this one. So we shall peel our banana. Shall peel our banana, guys. Just one banana and one egg will make wonders, guys. You look 20 years when you're 40. To remove all the wrinkles, fine lines, acne, pigmentation. Hope you're able to see, guys. So we shall proceed. This is how our bananas are looking like, guys. Hope you're able to see. Hope the camera will do justice. So if you have a small blender, you can use a blender to make this recipe. But for me, I've chosen to use a fork. And it is doing the same thing, guys. So I'll proceed and make a use of our egg. So in today's recipe, guys, we are going to use the egg yolk, not the egg white. We are only interested in the egg yolk, guys. So this is our egg yolk, guys. We'll proceed and add it here. This one we keep for another recipe. So we proceed and mix the ingredients well. Mix well, guys. Add in our coffee. Guys, you can use any coffee of your choice, but for me this is what I'm using. So guys, with these 3 ingredients, you'll not go wrong. Trust me, you will not go wrong, guys. If you have stubborn acne, this video is yours. Stay tuned and watch the entire video till the end. This recipe will help you to get rid of wrinkles, fine lines, pigmentation, Those stubborn pimples, it will be just history. But the main issue here, guys, is consistency. Stay consistent if you want these remedies to work for you so fast. So guys, the banana was not so ripe, so what I'm going to do is to put in this small blend of mine. I blend it until so that I get that smooth paste. Yes, I don't want to have these hard things in my recipe. So I'll proceed and have it blended so that the paste is so smooth. So stay tuned. Let me blend it So guys, this is how our recipe is. I'll just transfer it in the bowl. So the mixture is now smooth. Yes, the mixture is now smooth, guys. This is one egg yolk, 1 spoon of coffee, and then the banana, guys. So as we always do, guys, for those who have been following me, we shall leave the mixture to settle for 10 minutes, and in those 10 minutes I'll steam my face before applying the mask, guys. So stay tuned. Let me bring the water, guys. This is our water. Let me steam for 10 minutes as the mixture settles in well before I apply it on the skin. Yes, so for those who have been following me, you know the reason why we steam the face. It is good to steam our face so that we remove all the dirty stuff before applying the mask. So I'm adding in our rosemary, guys. This is rosemary, dried rosemary. Yes, rosemary is good when it comes to exfoliating our skins. So I'll proceed and steam for 10 minutes then I'll apply the mask. So stay tuned, watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out on any step. Guys, these are the results after steaming for 10 minutes, guys. So the reason why I steam, I want the spores of the skin to open. So this water, this rosemary water, is what I'll use to wash off our mask. This is how I'm looking after steaming. So I'll proceed. This is our recipe. So I'll proceed and add in vitamin E, guys. This is vitamin E capsule, but if you have the oil, you can add. Also, if you have any essential oil, maybe olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil, any castor oil, eucalyptus oil, any oil that you may be having in your kitchen or in your cabinet, you can add it in. Consider and add it here. Consider and mix again. Mix the vitamin E capsule well. Hope the camera is doing justice, guys. But this is optional. If you don't have, you just proceed and apply. It will still work the same way. but for me, I prefer to add vitamin E. So our recipe is now ready. Our mixture, this is how our mixture is looking like, guys. So if you have a brush, you can use a brush, but for me, I'm going to use my hands, guys. Apply gently. So for those who are watching and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. It doesn't cost a thing. Support me, guys, please, please. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and support me so that I get the morale to keep bringing you more videos. And if you find this video helpful, please share with family and friends so that someone who is out there struggling with acne, hypigmentation, wrinkles can be helped, guys. So I will proceed and apply even on my lips, guys, so that I exfoliate and remove dead skin, guys. So guys, hope you're able to see. Always apply even on your neck, because the skin around our necks is so soft and it tends to sag so fast. So whenever you apply these remedies, consider applying even on your neck. And apply it on my arms. Guys, if you have a refrigerator, you can make in large quantity. You put in a refrigerator and you use like for 7 days. And for the starters, guys, consider applying the mask for 7 days. Thereafter, you can apply 3 times or 2 times in a week. So just stay tuned. Don't skip. Yes, don't skip on the steps, guys, if you want to get good results. And guys, the game changer here is on the consistency. I keep saying this and I will continue saying it. Guys, if you want to see results, stay consistent. Then the results will amaze you, guys. Yes, so I'll come back after 40 to 45 minutes of drying the mask on the skin. Then I'll proceed and wash it off after 45 minutes. You can allow it to stay even for 1 hour if you have time, because guys, these are natural remedies in our kitchens. They have no side effects. I highly recommend this. Yes, guys, remember, I'm not a skin specialist, but these kitchen remedies are doing wonders. Yes, you don't need to struggle with expensive cosmetics in the market. Just do this. Imagine 1 egg, but you can use twice. Just 1 egg and 1 banana, guys. You can see what I got. Just enough for 2 days. So if you have a refrigerator, you can make enough for a week. Guys, see you after 45 minutes.